Hi, user. Hi, Troy. Hi, G. Thank you, Troy. I don't have Facebook. Nice meeting you, Fabian. Joko. 86 viewers. Kindly tap my screen and don't forget to follow me. Thank you, Doko. Shenlong, thank you. Thank you for the flowers. The flowers smell so good. Thank you, Mr. Travel. Clean, thank you. I will answer that if you drop me Carl, a galaxy. Hi, Johnny. Hardworking Latino. Hi, Latino. Sheno, thank you, Sheno. Asher. Mark. Ano daw, Mark? Thank you. Thanks for the flowers. I don't know how to read your name, but thank you. The flowers smell so good. Would you like to speak? Just kidding. Thank you for the flowers. Can't read your name. It's quite confusing. Shana, thank you. Yes, I am, Troy. Do you have problem with it? Thanks for the heart, me. I'll be careful with your heart. Okay. See you, Reb. Are you what? What do you mean? Oh, I would like to ask you on a date. Guys, how can you, if you're gonna take me for a date, what is your ideal like? Let me know. What is your idea for first date? I would like, hi, Andrew. Ate, go. Dinner work. Dinner walk and chat. Sounds good. Nagugutom ako. Guys, ang dami nyo dyan. Wala nagtatap. Ate, go! Diyan ka pa rin. Thank you. That was so sweet of you. Latino, thank you, Latino. You make me blush. You look like Whitney Houston. Am I? You're joking. Thank you, Latino. I'm your Latina. Thank you. Shenok. Thank you, Shenok. Yawa. Oy, buang. Oy, kiplaping buang. I don't know why my music stopped. Hey, Siri. Kiatay. Anong kiatay? Kiatay saan?